All right, we have just got a breaking news that's coming in from APHLC. All Party Hills Leader Conference appreciate the Congress Party. Now, it is for the very first time that the regional political party is expressing grateful for the Congress. The appreciations has been made this afternoon through press note that has been issued by the spokesperson of APHLC for Karbi Anglong Congress for coming forward and condemning the undemocratic activities done by the BJP workers in Bitung Rengthama constituency. Remember, the meetings of APHLC, in fact, were disrupted several times by BJP workers in Bitung Rengthama constituency. In just a couple of days back, it is also reported that the mic speaker which had been used for APHLC has been vandalized by the BJP workers. And of course, we have seen the Congress condemning the act. And this afternoon, the APHLC put across their appreciation for Congress for coming forward to strengthen the democratic values in Autonomous District. So it seems like both the APHLC and the Congress is now welcoming each other for the safeguard of democracy. Meanwhile, the APHLC has been very clear to criticize the wrong policies adopted by any parties, including the Congress. So we cannot tell you what really is going to be in the days to come, whether the APHLC is going to have an alliance with the Congress or not. But what we can tell you right now is APHLC or All Party Hills Leader Conference have extended appreciation to the Congress for condemning undemocratic activities performed by the BJP.